Did you know that there's a similarity between financial aid packages and online dating? Okay, I like this one. So Kelly, what do you mean? Financial aid packages from colleges is kind of like online dating. Well, it's pretty simple. So let's look at online dating. You got your profile, you're swiping through, you're like, no, 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 no. And then there's that one where you're like, yeah, I like that profile. As I've stated in other videos, when a student does an effective job of college selection, meaning we know that that kid is an average to above average student for that university, and we have multiple to choose from, preferably 8 to 10 universities. Not one, not two, 8 to 10. You have to have multiple options of schools you're willing to go to as the student and where you know you've got a good chance of being an exceptional student for them. Now keep in mind, as I've said in other videos, it doesn't just mean academically, right? If you're kind of an average student but you have a great package because you paid attention to what we talk about for all 4 years of high school, you're still an above average student for them because you're a kid of that community and they love that stuff. So if you've done your work and you have 8 to 10 options, and we know their financial aid numbers on average, we know if they lowballed us or gave us an average offer, and we know that we're an above average kid for them, then we appeal that offer. And if we have just 1 or 2 options, we're very much limiting ourselves. We're putting all of our eggs in one basket. But if you have 8 to 10, one of them will want to date you. One of them will want you. And the only thing they have to offer is more money in order to get that enrollment. See, it's a very competitive arena. They admit kids, and then there's a small percentage, typically 18 to 30%, that actually enroll. It's called a yield rate. It's a very competitive world for them. The only thing, if they want you, that they can offer you is more money to make it more attractive. They can't offer you the suite in the dorm room that's up on the top floor with your own elevator and floor to ceiling windows. So they can't offer dad and mom the best parking spot for Saturday football games or season tickets for that matter. The only thing that they have from a negotiation standpoint is additional money. So when you have 8 to 10 and we're packaged well, we know we're average to above average, we've played this game exceptionally as we teach for all 4 years. It's very important you get to us prior to your senior year. Then one of them is going to want to date you. One of them will swipe right, and it will amaze you what happens when they want you. This is where results are created with our College Money Academy program. So yeah, college financial aid packages are a lot like online dating. So hey, go to collegemoneyacademy.com. Our coming soon landing page is active, and you can get enrolled at an early bird discount price. I'm doing some additional production here very soon in just a couple weeks, and then getting on some national podcasts. We're going to get a lot of attention. Our page is going to be fully live, fully active. The community, the engagement, everything we have, these early bird prices are not going to last very long. So please get in and you'll be in our system completely. And again, you can do that at collegemoneyacademy.com. So hey, know that you're loved, know that you're blessed. Have a great day.